We dedicated this peaceful Sunday to visiting various places of interest. That included houses of worship and a site where a miracle took place. As there were too many to choose from, we decided to drive by most of them for visits at a later trip. At this point, we needed to fill our bellies first. We began with Kiat Ho Char Kway Teow.
Working hard.
Thanks for your video.
No problem.
I hope you have time for us.
Hi.
I will pang video Okay.
Yummy.
So this Char Kway Teow is where?
Pulau Tikus.
Opposite the police station, right?
Opposite the police station. There. Wait.
First bite, Pulau Tikus Char Kway Teow. Very good.
Comes to food, don't worry. Comes to food.
Within a 5-minute drive, we stopped for a short homage at the Church of the Immaculate Conception. The church was founded in 1811 by Father John Baptist Pascal from Phuket in Thailand. Father Pascal landed in Pulau Tikus and decided to build a church. The original church building lasted until 1835, when it was replaced with a brick church. In 1899, due to the collapse of one of the ceilings in the church, it was rebuilt. The church survived until the late 1960s, when it's further renovated until the facade today. What good Eurasian would travel anywhere in the world and not visit his fellow Eurasians? As luck would have it, Peter Pedley, the president of EA Penang, was on site. Oh, what sheer luck to also catch the EA committee hard at work.
The Assoc family.
Yeah.
The father is a European, the mother is a Eurasian. This is Mary Carlos.
Thank you, EA Penang, for showing us around your house. We will return soon. To find it, you have to come down those stairs and look at this one, PA54, which is Peter Cousins. He will show you the way behind. A lot of empty ones, and Uncle John's is right at the top.
This is not straight up.
Not straight up.
During the tsunami time,
Ah,
total there are 68 people.
68 people. Miracle Baby S. Tulashi made global headlines in the year 2004 when the killer Boxing Day tsunami struck the west coast of Penang. She was swept out to sea by the waves while sleeping at a parent seaside cafe in Pantai, Miami, but was miraculously brought back by a second wave 30 minutes later while lying on the same mattress. Miami Beach. Nice view.
About a few beers at night. Just quiet. Quiet.
Yep. As we walked up the stairs and journeyed to our next destination, we reflected on our own lives and how lucky we were for our own little miracles.